In this video, we will see how Scalefusion enables IT admins to configure and deploy Zebra DataWedge configurations to multiple managed devices using Zebra OEMConfig powered by MX. To get started, navigate to Application Management on the Scalefusion dashboard and click on Add from Play Store. Search for Zebra OEMConfig and select Zebra OEMConfig powered by MX. Click Select to add it to your application library. Once the app appears in your application management list, click on it to open the side panel. Navigate to the App Configs tab. Here you will find any existing configurations. To create a new DataWedge configuration, click on Create. In the Manage Configuration window, enter a name for your configuration. Now, to configure the DataWedge file deployment, scroll to the Files Configuration section and add a new file group. Enter the device path and name. This is the destination path on the Zebra device, where the DataWedge configuration file will be auto-imported. Then enter the download server URL. This is the hosted URL from which Scalefusion will pull the DataWedge configuration file. Once done, click Save. Now, to deploy this configuration to your devices, click on the three-dot menu next to the configuration you just created. Click on Publish and choose whether to push it to specific groups, device profiles, or individual devices. Click Publish to deploy. This is how seamlessly Scalefusion lets you configure and push Zebra DataWedge settings across all your managed Zebra devices from a single dashboard.